Old school BMX bike check. Bushlight donuts, Corey grips, Diacomp brake, 2-finger brake lever, Diacomp cable, brake cable. Here's the number plate. Diamondback pads, the Harry Leary pads. Here we got that's a uni. It's a uni gooseneck. I don't know if you guys remember the brand Uni, but that's a uni gooseneck from back in the days. Old new stock, Tangy sealed headset, Suzu hubs, handmade wheels, handmade custom wheels. Got the Comp 3 blue tires on it. Harry Leary pads. Harry Leary pads. You go down here. These are original stickers. The forks are a little bit beat up, but titanium nuts. Yeah, she's pretty. This is 1982 Diamondback. It's original Diamondback. Got a Diacomp MX clamshell seat clamp. Diacomp brakes, which match the year. I think those are the 870s. 870 brake pads. On the back, Profile Elite freewheel, SC chain tensioners, Suzu hub, that's that 144 points of engagement on the freewheel. Got the Tioga Spider, and that's a MX chain wheel on there. Got the Hutch bear traps on there. You guys have probably never seen one of these before in your life. Renthal bent seat post. And of course the Cashimax seat. That's brand new. Old stock. Yeah, she's a beauty, man. Well, BMX bike check. That has Alien Nation handlebars. These are 9 1/4 inches high, 31 inches wide. And what else am I forgetting? Oh, on the other side, that's an Odyssey sealed bearing kit in the bottom. That's an Odyssey one-piece crank, which Odyssey one-piece crank, they used to brag that it was the strongest crank that you can get back in the days. So, but I got some more parts right here. Full profile low bottom back bracket for 2 bikes. I got another one. Got a CYC Stormer. And sorry about the camera work. And profile 3-piece crank set. The thing is, the reason I didn't put the crank set on there is because the cranks are fatter than the tubing of the bike. So, you see what I'm saying? So it looked funny. You know, it's fatter than the tube of the whole bike. But there it is. And get back so I can maybe get a good picture of it. I wish the sun was in my favor, but she is nice. Sorry for the crappy filming, and hopefully you can still hear me because of the wind, but peace out, man. I want to see your guys' bikes. All right.